Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is on a spring makeup tutorial. Who isn't ready for spring? I am so ready for spring. I'm so tired of the snow. The snow me tiene harta ya. And I actually did a video before this one and it did not record the whole way. So I was so freaking mad because it was such a cool look to have on my YouTube channel. It was like a green look. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see. So if you are not following me on Instagram, do so. I'm gonna put it right here so you can go follow me on Instagram and go check that look out. So I have the box right here, and Shayna B Miami is actually a indie brand that you guys should definitely follow because they have amazing products. I do have brushes that I received from them. These are some of their brushes. I do use the makeup sponges from them. I have two. So yeah, I'm on their PR list, so I get their new launches and things like that. So I did get their new launch. So when I opened the box, I see that I had received a brush. And this is the Airbrush Effect brush. But not only did I receive a cool brush, the brush has my name on it. That is just so amazing that a company would actually send me a brush with my name on it. That means so much to me. You guys don't even know. The little things I get from recording and things like that, I appreciate so much. So this right here is something that I do appreciate a lot. In the handwritten note, it's pictures of me, of my Instagram photos, which is so cute. I just love that. When companies put so much effort into their PR packages and they, you know, put pictures of me, that just means so much. So the first palette is the Miami Blush and Highlights palette, and I just love this packaging. It's screaming Miami. I love that their brand is like little flamingos and they always keep it black and pink. I think that is just so chic and lovely, very feminine. So that is just so cute when you open it. So you have some highlights, you have a bronzer, and some blushes. So it looks like this. This is such a cute palette. I love it. I don't even want to touch it. I don't know if you guys could see the flamingo on the pans. That is just so cute. So I'm going to do couple of swatches of these highlights. Oh wow, that's nice. These are so cute. I love all three. So you have Sugar Bomb, Guava Glow, and Beachy. Love the names too. That's so cute. And the palette brings a mirror, which is always useful. Then for the other palette, it's an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Miami eyeshadow palette. It's black and pink, and this one has palm trees on it. That is so cute. So Florida, so Miami. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, look at that blue and that purple. She is such a beauty. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Wow. I love these shimmery colors. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmery colors, and then you have 7 matte colors, which is perfect. I love this blue. It's actually screaming my name, but I did a blue look recently, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using that blue. Today I wanted to do a peachy look, and this palette actually has a peach eyeshadow, and it's called South Peach. Isn't that so cute? I did do my face already. I did my brows. My brows are a bit more bold today. So yeah, let's get started. I think I'm gonna do my face first. I'm gonna use Bellini on the cheeks, and I'm gonna use this blush brush, and this is by Shayna B Miami. It looks like this. Is nice and fluffy. I'm gonna apply that on top of my contour and just blend that out. So that's basically going to be my bronze color. Then I'm going to use Rosa, which is this beautiful color right here, and I'm gonna apply that on the cheeks. So let's see how this color works. It's a really pretty color. Okay, so I'm taking just very lightly, and I'm going to start dabbing that right on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it towards the contour, and that is a very beautiful color. Love it. I love the way these blushes and bronzers are working. Okay, so I like it. Love it so far. So I'm gonna take Guava Glow and I'm going to highlight every part of my face that I want to bring out, which are the nose, the cheeks, above the eyebrows, the cupid's bow, and the chin area. Wow, that's so pretty. It goes so perfect with that blush. I think this is going to be my spring and summer go-to contour blush and highlight palette. This is beautiful. I don't know if you guys could tell. Whew, that highlighter is glowing and that blush just blended so well with that highlight. It's beautiful. I am loving this palette so much. I can't wait to keep using it. So now moving on to the good part, which are the eyes. So the face is completely done. Now we're gonna go to the eyes. I'm gonna take So Deco and I'm going to apply that all over the eyelid just to give a nice base. I don't know if you guys do this, but sometimes I like to just start with a blank canvas. People use powder. I just go with one neutral color eyeshadow and that just helps with the blending of the other eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna go in with South Peach because we are doing a peachy spring look. Take this brush and this is from Ever Favor Cosmetics and these brushes are really good. They sent these over to me to try out and I really like them. I'll link them down below so you guys can check them out. So I'm going to start applying that on the crease area. That's a pretty color. Too pinky and not too orangey, just the perfect peach. I am just packing on the color little by little and then blending. Wow, these eyeshadows are blending like nothing. I love it. That is beautiful. I just have to say I am in love with this color. I just love the way it blended. Like I said, I love that it's not too orangey and it's not too pinky. It's just the perfect peach. Just what I was looking for. I've been wanting to do a peachy look and this is the best peach color I think I own. So then I'm gonna go in with Vice, which is like dark mauve color, and I'm going to start blending that into the outer corner just to deepen that area a little bit. I'm gonna take a flat small brush by Ever Favor Cosmetics as well. I'm basically just applying that on the outer V of the eye and bringing it up to the crease a little bit. My blending brush and just blend that out a little bit on the outer V. But you have those two colors. I'm going to add How Lover Nude. It's this beautiful shimmery champagne color. And I'm going to add that on the brow bone. Color is so beautiful as a highlight color for the brow bone. So then I'm going to go in with Port Au Princess and it's this color right here. I'm going to press that right onto the half of the lid. That's a beautiful shimmery color. Love it. I'm going to spray my brush a little bit, get a little bit of setting spray and apply it on top of that just so that it can be more of a shimmery color. I don't know, I think I want to line my eyes with this diamond glitter eyeliner and it's like a copperish eyeliner, so let's see how it looks. So I'm digging the copper eyeliner. I don't know what came up, but this is beautiful. This is screaming Miami. Bronzy, peachy, I don't even know. Pfft, girl, I am loving this eyeliner. While the eyeliner dries well, we're gonna go in with both South Peach and Vice under the eye area. I'm gonna go in with Vice first and blend that onto the bottom of the eye, very close to the lash line. Take the peachy color and go below that color and blend it out. Really love this eye look. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the same color, which is Howlover Nude. For the waterline, I wanted to go in either with a white or a cream eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Pencil in a light. What that does is just make your eyes stand out more and open up your eyes a little bit more. I'll be using the Dita Mora lashes, and these are in the style D6. So I guess while the lashes dry, we can add the lipstick. I think I'm gonna go with the Gerard Cosmetic lipstick lip liner and the Serenity Lippy. So on top of the lip liner, you're gonna go in with the Gerard Cosmetics Lippy. Oh yeah, love it. It's a nice peachy color. Actually going to go on top of that with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb because I like a glossy lip. Yeah, the lashes are in. The last thing is the setting spray, and we're going to be using the Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. So what do you guys think? You like this look? Isn't it so beautiful? I wanted to do a nice peachy look. I love this eyeshadow so much. You guys have to go check out Shayna B Miami because this palette is just gorgeous. The amount of eyeshadow you are getting and the way these eyeshadows blended, it's really worth it. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link everything down below so you guys can see what Shayna B is all about. I just love these palettes. They were so amazing. I hope you guys like this look. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching again. I love you guys. See you next time.